Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open an existing file in Word. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in Microsoft Word on the web version. On the left hand side you will see a ribbon at the top here. You're going to go into File and you're going to come down here and look for Open. Now these are all recently opened documents. These have been created in Microsoft Word. Now what we want to do is all the way at the bottom you can go either to View All Files. And if you view all files, this will open up your OneDrive account where all of your documents are stored. If you want to open up a document that is on your device, you're going to go and click on Open Files from this device. Once Files is opened on your device, you can now go ahead and look for the file that you would like to open. Of course, it would need to be a docx file, but if it's not a docx file and perhaps it is a PDF, you can actually also upload this to Word and it'll actually convert it to a docx file.